Let's go.
Probably gonna trim this clip out, selecting the because. Come back. Okay. So when you see the thing I have.
What? That's a lot.
Okay. So we're just waiting for front. Okay. So the first cosmetic we have is the monkey block, or I mean the.
Let's put it down.
The lucky block.
Whoa.
For some reason. Oh, that scared me.
Oh.
Wait, what if I just? What does it take? Oh, wait, dude, that's cool.
Wait. See, I want to see.
You have to touch it for it to explode.
I want to see what happens if I go. Okay.
Here's
so grab
barrel.
this. Put this over.
You can throw it.
Barrel's kind of simple.
What?
Just grab it. Kind of boring.
Here's
lucky barrel. Money.
Oh, you got a little elf.
Wait.
I mean, I didn't get a little. Oh my gosh, it's him.
I have a
I
suit.
said a little elf. That literally. It's not an elf.
How is it spawning?
A leprechaun. Ew! I really don't want to get this cosmetic.
Oh my gosh, it moves also.
It moves. Here's this cool umbrella thing.
Oh.
It actually has particles falling from it.
It's a mushroom.
They have an app. Here's the cartoon gloves.
No, this is just Mario. Yahoo!
Basically cartoony. Whatever.
Nope.
Here is the.
It moves also.
I feel.
It moves.
Here's the sun hat, and people are gonna say, "Oh, I got the yellow sun hat from the OG DLC." Oh no. Dude.
Badge.
Here's the free badge I used to wear.
Boring.
As Cherry on Star, but I'm now Purple Monk.
Oh my gosh.
Here's Inspector Gadget hat. And we are not checking out the flashback thing because that takes way too much time. Oh, and I forgot.
Oh.
New bundle.
Oh my gosh, it's a shield. Wait, I forgot.
We basically got a shield and a shooter.
If you use the shield, wait.
Okay, try to shoot me now. Oh no. Okay, let's check all the maps.
I heard that if you use the shield in Monkey Blocks and like hit it with a block, you fly. But who knows?
And let's see the maps for. Let's see the decorations of the maps. Wait.
We can check
we're
Monkey
just gonna
Blocks.
check out free maps because. Oh yeah.
Or no,
We're
that
not
should be
gonna check the
last.
maps because that takes way too much time. Yeah, that should be last.
1 second,
And
I'm checking
the
something.
best thing about this update.
How much does everything here cost? That's
probably like 50,000.
I can actually buy a few of these.
Except for the. You can.
Oh my god. Yes. Yes, please.
I want to buy the scarf.
Let me get this. Give me this.
You could buy
yes,
that?
I need it.
Oh, he got it.
I'm so
he got the cartoon
powerful.
glove. Oh, you don't have it. You don't have it.
1 second, I need to equip it because I bought it. I just need to equip it now.
Equip it. I don't see it. Why do I don't see it? That's strange.
Do you see this?
Ow.
Who cares? I'll probably equip those later. I don't want them right now.
Okay, let's just go over here to the best thing ever in this other.
Exactly. Monkey Blocks is now like 5 million times better.
Oh wait, we forgot to check out something. Over
Really?
here.
What? Oh yeah, a parkour course.
It's like a testing thing. A testing thing. Of the new monkey blocks, building platform stuff. This basically
Well, it's
goes
weird to
up
pinch
and
climb on
down
this.
like an elevator.
Eh,
And
I made it.
this gives me motion. The spinning one gives me motion sickness, so I'm not going on that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wanna check
let's
out
go to monkey blocks.
new update because who knows, it might be cool.
And
A dojo
here's
pack.
the new dojo
That costs
pack.
too much.
Yeah, that costs like $4.
And besides, I just spent
I feel like
all of my shiny rocks on those gloves.
I swear it used to sell. I swear it used to cost 4,000. Now it costs 4,300. Okay, the new pack is the platformer pack, which is free for everyone.
What is this?
Very
Shoot? Let's just
Yeah,
check out
it's
all the
fast
items.
explosion.
Just
Yeah, let's
ring them all out.
Let's make a little testing parkour for it.
Yes. I don't know if we already have that, but we need more rocks. More rocks.
We do not need we do not need that thing.
Let's try this. And I'm pretty sure that's it.
You have to have a paintball shooter.
Wait.
You have to have a slingshot to activate that.
Where's the spinny things?
Oh, it's over here.
Why is the spinny over there out of all places? Oh my gosh, there's even more!
Yeah, you can finally. So, did you add the spinning thing?
We also need the
I'm probably
like
spinning this
spinning
part
things.
up.
Like the spinning.
I already had that. I already have it.
I know, I put it in. I mean a different thing.
We have 2 spinning things.
Like that one in
I'm
the
speeding
course
this
where you
part
had a
up.
gorilla holding it.
Oh.
Wait a second.
I don't know.
This combines
Wait,
with
what's your-
platformer. As you see. Oh, I get it. Okay.
They're just reskins. Okay. Where's the timer thingy?
Let's put this big one first, because that seems the best.
Okay, let's put this. I have a great idea.
Oh, yes. Wow.
And 2, 1. Okay,
Finish
we
the course.
finished the obstacle course. So, what we're gonna do?
Ah! Oh, I fell.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Make a giant leap when it comes here.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna jump from here.
Go this
Get
way,
on.
this way.
Ah! I get pushed. Oh, come on.
Jump. Hey, come on, let's go.
Yes, yes, yes.
I can do this.
Please,
Oh,
please,
shoot.
please.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Zoom.
Grab
Close
on.
enough.
Jump.
Oh my gosh, no.
28 seconds.
I'm so slow. Okay, watch out for this. Jump down to here. Boom.
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
28 seconds. How much was your thing?
Oh. Let me check. 38 seconds.
38. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Expect an actual building thing, like a challenge where we can build and
Yeah.
we can build stuff and like explore.
Yeah,
So-
eventually.
Hope you enjoyed this video.